Hello, dear children. All are welcome to our class. So, in we have to learn difference of estimating sum and difference. Estimating means you can round the nearest value after you can add or subtract. Okay. Already we learn about rounding of numbers right now. Yes. So today we have to discuss about estimating sum and difference. Estimating sum and difference means, suppose if we have to sum or difference any number, first you have to round off nearest value, nearest tens or hundred or nearest thousand. After you can do add or subtract. Okay, so you can estimated the two numbers. First you can round off each number to its nearest 10 or 100 or 1000. After you can add or subtract. Okay guys. Okay guys, so next one is, just I will recall rounding off. Okay, so for rounding off, first one is tens. How will you round tens place value? For example, 234. 234. If you have to rounding of tens, first check ones place value. Which place value? Ones place value. The ones place value is whether the one place value is greater than 5 or less than 5. Suppose greater than 5, okay, the ones place value is greater than 5. Just you have to add 1 to tens place. Okay. And next, suppose less than 5, just you have to put the value 0 in tens and ones. Okay, so for this example is 234. So check ones place, the ones place value is 4. 4 is less than 5 right now. Yes, correct. So just you have to put the value 0 in tens place and ones place. So the answer is 200. The answer is 200. Okay, and the next one is 100. So if you have to rounding of nearest 100, you have to check which place tens place value, whether the tens place value is greater than 5 or less than 5. So let us see the example 2365. 2365. Okay, 2365. Once again, sorry. The tens place value is 6. 6 is greater than 5 or less than 5? Yes, very good. Greater than 5. Greater than 5, just you have to add 1 to 100 place, and 3 plus 1, 4. Okay, and next you have to put the value 0 in tens place and ones place. So the answer is 2400. Okay, listen children, if you have to round off 100 place value, you have to check whether the tens place value is greater than 5 or less than 5. Suppose greater than 5, you can add 1 to 100 place. 3 plus 1 equal to 4. So 1000 place you did not change. Okay, so first you can write 1000 place value, and next 100 place value. Since 6 is greater than 5, so just I have to add 1 to 100 place. 3 plus 1, 4, and put the value 0 in tens place and put the value 0 in ones place. So the answer is 2400. Next one is 1000. Okay, if you have to change rounding of nearest 1000, you have to check which place. 100 place. Very good. Which place? 100 place. So the example is 1876. Whether check the 100 place value is greater than 5 or less than 5. Greater than 5 or less than 5. What's the 100 place value? 100 place value is 8. 8 is greater than 5 or less than 5? Greater than 5. Very good. So just you have to add 1 to 1000 place. Okay, so 1 plus 1 equal to 2. And next you have to put the value 0 in 100 place and 0 in tens place and 0 in ones place. So this is rounding of value. Okay, so let's next we have to see the estimate sum and difference. So let us see one example. Estimate The sum or difference and find actual sum or different. Okay. So listen children, if one example is there. Okay. So first you have to do, you can do two things. One is actual, another one is estimate. Okay. So the actual, first you can do the actual one. You can give, sorry, I will give two numbers. Just you have to add these two numbers. So first all of you add actual place value. So first number is 687. The second number is 234. 234. So first all of you add ones place value. 7 plus 4 equal to 11. So I can write one in ones place and one is also goes to carry. So 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 3. Very good. 12. So I can write 2 in tens place 1 is also goes to carry. 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. So the answer is 921. Next you have to estimate nearest 100 place. Okay, 687. So 8 is greater than 5. Just you have to add 1 to 100 place. 700. So the answer is 700. Next one is 234. So you can check whether tens place value. The tens place value is 3. Okay. So 3 is less than 5. Suppose less than 5, just you have to put the value 0 in tens place and 0 in ones place. So the answer is 200. And next you can add 0 plus 0 equal to 0. 0 plus 0 equal to 0. 7 plus 2 equal to 9. So the estimate sum is 900 and the actual sum is 921. Okay. So listen children, you have to estimate the two numbers. First all of you add actual value. Okay. After you can add estimate value. Since first you can rounding off nearest. Suppose 2-digit number, you can change rounding of tens. 3-digit number, you can change 100. Okay. In suppose 4-digit, so you can round off thousands. Okay, guys. Okay. After you can add. The next one is statement problem. Mr. Khan bought a mobile for 8,793 and a chair for 3,925. Estimate how much did he pay more for the mobile? Okay. The question is Mr. Khan bought a mobile for 8,793 and a chair for 3,925. Estimate how much did he pay more for the mobile? So listen, Mr. Khan ரெண்டு things வாங்குறாரு. The first one is mobile, second one is chair. Mobile ஓட amount என்னன்னு இருக்கும், chair ஓட cost என்னன்னு கொடுத்தாங்க. Question என்ன? Estimate how much did he pay for the mobile? So அவர் மொபைலுக்கு எவ்வளவு அதிகமா பே பண்ணிருக்காரு, இதுதான் கொஸ்டின். ஸோ அதை எதுல கேட்டிருக்காங்க? எஸ்டிமேட்ல கேட்டிருக்காங்க, ஆக்சுவல்ல கேட்கல. ஓகேவா? ஸோ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் லிசன் சில்ட்ரன், ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஆல் ஆஃப் யூ ரைட் த கிவன் சொல்யூஷன். The cost of mobile. The cost of mobile equal to 8,793. The cost of chair equal to 3,925. So just you can add the estimates. So first all of you change the value into rounding of nearest 1,000. Okay. So the estimated cost of mobile equal to, listen children, the cost of mobile equal to 8,793. Okay. 8,793. So we can change nearest 1,000. Okay. So listen children, whether the 100 place value is greater than 5 or less than 5? Yes, greater than 5. So just you can add 1 from 1,000 place. 8 plus 1, 9. Balance 100 and tens ones is also, you can put the value 0. Okay. And the cost of chair equal to 3,928. Okay. So you can check 100 place. 100 place value is 9. 9 is greater than 5. Okay. So listen children, just you can add 1 from 1,000 place. 3 plus 1 equal to 4. Otherwise 100 place and 10 place 1 place value is also 0. Next you can add, sorry. So listen children, question enama, how much amount more than mobile? So mobile க்கு வந்து சேரை விட அவர் எவ்வளவு அமௌண்ட் அதிகமா பே பண்ணிருக்காருன்னு தான் நம்ம கொஸ்டின். அப்ப என்ன செய்யணும்? மொபைல்ல இருந்து சேரோட காஸ்ட்டை நம்ம சப்ட்ராக்ட் பண்ணா ஆன்சர் என்னன்னு வரும். ஓகேவா? So listen children, first you have to subtract 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0, 9 minus 4 equal to 5. Okay. So how much amount did he pay? More than 5,000 for mobile. How much more? 5,000 for mobile. So essentially, if you have to estimate any statement problem, first of all, you can write the given statement. After you can estimate. Okay. So first you can write cost of mobile, the cost of chair. After you can convert into estimated. Okay. So if suppose 4 digit, you can round off near 1,000. Okay. Suppose 3 digit number. The given statement is 3 digit. Just you can change 100 place. Okay. Okay, guys. So Mr. Khan paid about 5,000 for mobile. And the next one is estimate the sum of okay, the first question is also estimate. So 247 and 1347. Okay, by rounding of each number, sorry guys, 1375. Okay, so 4 is not there, the number is 1375. By rounding of each number to the nearest 100. What is nearest 100? Okay, also compare with actual sum. So you can do estimate and actual sum after given only once. You can change rounding of each number to nearest 100. Okay, it's also given another sorry, the two numbers is also there. First you can do estimate and actual sum. Okay, and another one is just you can change rounding of each number to nearest 100. Nearest 100 place change பண்ணி நம்ம என்ன செய்யணும், estimate problem பார்க்க போறோம். ஓகேவா? So listen children, so first all of you do actual sum. Okay, so guys, first number is 247 and the second number is 1375. Okay, 1375. First all of you do actual sum. Actual means which number is there, just you can write these two numbers, after you can add this actual. Okay, so 7 plus 5 equal to 12. So 7 kuda 5 add panna answer enna varuma 2. So you can write 2 in one's place and one's is also goes to carry. Okay, so next you can add 1 plus 4 5. 5 plus 7 equal to 12. You can write 2 in tens place and 1 is also goes to carry. 1 plus 2 equal to 3. 3 plus 3 equal to 6. And next 1 is also there. Okay, so you can write 1. So 1622. Next you can find the solution, find the answer of estimated sum. Estimated means just you can change 100 place. Rounding of nearest 100. So rounding of nearest 100, just you can check whether the tens place value is greater than 5 or less than 5. 4 is less than 5. So just you have to put the value 0 in tens place and 0 in ones place. So 100 place does not change. So you can write 200. And the second thing, 1375. So which tens place, the tens place value is 7. 7 is greater than 5 or less than 5? Yes, greater than 5. So just you can change, add 1 to 100 place. Okay, so 1000 place does not change. So first all of you write 1000 place value 1 and next 3 plus 1 4 and tens place value is also 0, ones place value is also 0. Further you can add these two numbers, 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 0 0, 2 plus 4 equal to 6 and next you can write 1. Okay, so the answer is 1600. So first question is also over. So you can add estimate sum and actual sum. Okay, and further you can compare with actual sum. Okay, next you can compare actual sum and estimated sum. So the estimated sum is 1600 and the actual sum is 1622. Next, just you can compare means difference. Okay, so the actual sum is 1622 minus estimated sum 1600. How much more? 22. How much more? 22. Very good. Hence, so the actual sum is 22 more than the estimated sum. So estimated விட actual sum எவ்வளவு இருக்கு? 22 more. அதிகமா இருக்கு. Okay வா? So listen children, you can do two solution. First one is estimate, you can add estimate actual sum, after you can add estimated sum. Okay, and next you can compare which one is more. Okay, actual or estimated. Actual is more since the actual value is 1622 and the estimated answer is 1600. Which is more? Actual sum. Okay, how much? 22. How much? 22. Okay, difference means subtraction. Okay guys. Okay, so next class we have to discuss about our self practice sum. In this class is also over, and the next class we are also do our self practice sum.